Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ada here. In today's video we are reviewing these two new power supplies from LITT. We have the LTV2 power supply and we have the LITT power bank, the LITT Air, the LT Air. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. And yeah, let's start off with this power supply. Already off the boxing, it looks like the specs look insane. It has a 12V, 24V DC output, a quick charge of the new quick charge, and yeah, the specs look incredible. Let's get into it. Come on. Whoa. Nice tight seal. Yo, this thing's tight, guys. And there it is. Holding up to a, let's pull it out here. Clean design. Holding up to a 1.5 kg weight. Has, just open this here. Yo, that really pops out. But here is a D3, what does it say? Yeah, it has a proper charging port here. Yo, these things are solid, guys. This is a wireless phone charging station. This is a light here. And already this looks like very solid equipment, guys. This is definitely insane. We have USB-C and USB-C input and outputs here. That's great for charging. And the USB-C input and DC in and output. As you can see, yeah, I mean, this is really good, really clean. I really like the matte finish that they did. It's really cool. Also the grip here, nice for holding and very portable design. Put that here. We have, this is the charging. Looks like the charging cable. So plug that in. Also comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and these DC cables, and a whole bunch of like different ones here. Looks like different converters, which is really cool. That is so sick. Let's jump into the power bank. So this looks more for traveling. It says here it's aircraft approved, so it's gonna be more portable, more light. Hence the name LITT Air. Yeah, let's get into it. That satisfaction. So we're gonna pull it out. This is super cool, guys. This is so rad. Wow, look at this. Super solid finish. Has little LCD screen here. Has a DC in or USB-C in and output, USB output, USB-C output, DC out, and the on button. Already looking at these equipment, these power things. This is gonna be great for cameras. You're charging your cameras on the go, your phones, watches, laptops. Like, this is so good. This is capacity. This is a 3.7V, 27,000 watts, yeah, 99.9 watts. So this is gonna last you. This is gonna last you, bro. If you are traveling, yeah, and you need a good power source. This has got you on hand and looks very reliable. And yeah, I mean, nothing much to it. But yeah, I'm so stoked. Thank you, LITT, so much. You guys are awesome. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the review video. Gonna be testing these puppies out, testing what they can do, testing their capabilities. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.